Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to project some curve on a nonlinear surface or you want to add some text on a nonlinear surface, we have an option in Blender. It's called Knife Project. This helps you to add or reuse the curves of a text or a drawing or a curve which you have, and it will project on the surface. This especially works well on a nonlinear surface. Let's check it how it works. This is Jay from CJ Academy. Let's start. So to understand how it works, let's add some objects to the 3D viewport to understand how this knife project works. We use the default cube and add some faces, insert some face in it to make it non-linear with multiple faces on one side. Okay. Yeah, let's give some bulge to it. If you want, you can add it a little bit more so that it's clearly a non-planar or non-linear. Okay, so this cube is fine. Let's add some more objects. Shift A for adding an object, and let's add a icosphere because this has more sharp edges than the UV sphere, so it will be helpful to understand how it works. Okay, this is fine. Let's add mm, a torus. Yeah. Okay, let's make it bigger and move it a little bit. Okay, so we will see how knife project works on these three different objects and which has a different set of surface. Okay, so to see how it works, let's add a text and just notice where it is. Okay, mm, let's align it to our view and bring it forward. Let's go to the right view again. So to knife project work properly, you need the target or the source curve or the source text to be within the view of the object. Okay, it should not go outside of the object because that will not help you and you will miss some part of it. So this is one part which you have to be careful about. Let's resize it and adjust it to fit within the boundary of the object. Okay, this is fine, but I will be adding some text, so I will reduce a little bit more. Yeah, and let's go to the bit more. I will add my channel name here. You can try with your own text. Okay, let's get out of the bit mode and adjust it to the boundary of this object. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, let's check if it is in the front. Yeah, it's on the front. Okay, let's go back to the right view. So duplicate it and fit it on the axis more. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's check how this works. So to for a knife project to work, you have to select the object or the target object where you want to project and enter edit mode there. Make sure everything is selected, and then you can select the text here. So when you're in edit mode, it's easy to select the text from the tree view. So I select the text and go to mesh knife project. Okay, so if you don't see any error, it means the project is done. So you can hide this text to see how it is. Yeah, so see, it's actually on the surface projected and it has different faces to it. See, it's you know how it is now. Yeah, so similarly, let's try on the other two. Let's go to right view to make sure that we are in the proper position. Edit, make sure everything is selected and go to text, select it, mesh, knife project. Now you can see there are some vertex is already created. That's because the profile or the surface has been cut into different sections for the text to work. Okay, the same thing you can do for any closed or open curves also works pretty much the same. So since text is easy to understand, so that I'm using here. So let's do the same on the torus. um, Go to edit mode, everything is selected, select the text and go to mesh, say knife project, and hide the text to see if it's really, see. So this is how it works. So this will help you in a lot of places, and if you come out of edit mode, it won't, no, you won't see that cut, because this is still part of the edit mode and you haven't done anything uh, on top of it. So if you want to see, you can edit that the cut profiles, and you can see the difference. Maybe I'll just add some extrude to this, and you will be able to notice the difference. Okay, let's, okay, now you can see. So this helps in a lot of places, especially for the surface which are not non-linear. Okay, that's about it. If you guys like this video, please like this and share it with your colleagues and friends. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A lot of interesting and informative contents are coming your way. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Take care.